the Civic's not looking too well, but let's work on the Miata instead. I was going to take this moment to service the brakes, but since I've only driven like 10,000 since we rebuilt it, these are the original pads of when we got the car and it sat for all that time. But I'd say those slides are still pretty damn good. Like 2018 Cruzes don't even have slides that good still. And this side's just as loose and as good. So I'm not even going to service those. The pads are decent. But by the time I do those pads, I'll service them then. But I'm kind of surprised the slides are that free from sitting all winter. And it's like the brakes have cleaned up as well. This car's like so much more simpler than modern cars. But yeah, everything still looks decent in here. I do want to try to adjust the camber on it, but I might wait until it gets an alignment and see if we can change the camber bolts on the bottom instead of just screwing with it and making it worse. But yeah, I can just throw the wheels back on it, which is pretty awesome. It's a little dark right now, but they're on. Center caps are on. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the screws so they never really seize up or the caps get stuck on there. I'd hate to have to drill those screws out or something just because they're like cheap rims, but I'm gonna have to get better shots when it's clean and when it's in the morning, but they look pretty damn good. New tires, new rims.
sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right,
Back
boy.
home now. The Miata did awesome. We put about 700 kilometers on it in the weekend, which is pretty good for just putting a battery in it, turnkey, and just driving it straight out of the barn. The tires, for anyone that are wondering, are Nitto Neogens 205 50-15s on their 8-inch wide rims that are plus 25 offset. But yeah, they ride great, and the whole car is just exactly how it was last year. The new used soft top looks awesome. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's going to come with this car as well. I have new fenders for it, and I'm going to try to find new doors for it and possibly repaint the whole car. But we'll see when we get there. I also want to fix the hood release cable and put the side markers back in it and just tidy up this car and make it a nice road trip car. But yeah, I just want to make this like 1 minute little outro just to kind of end the video. Nothing was really planned like usual. I just wanted to make a video and thought a lot of the Miatas were pretty cool, so I put them all together. It's Dave's garage where he's just a Miata specialist, so it was kind of cool to go see a whole bunch of Miatas and get this thing out of the barn so the season starts. But yeah, that's all I got right now. If you want to see more on this or more of my other like 9 cars, like, subscribe, comment below, because that always helps the videos out. And yeah, that's all I got for now.